Here we are with the after, the whole new unit, all new installed, real nice and clean. Make sure everything's level. We've got a new drain pan, new float safety switch down there with the red. And we'll go check out the outside. All come with a 10-year part warranty, 2-year labor warranty. And we do have maintenance programs available. Go here and we'll check on the outside. All nice and clean outside. Cleaned everything up, no trash. Come out here. Putting a new thermostat on for the customer. Nice new system, nice clean install. Leak checked everything. Did a 500 micron vac, which gets all the contaminants out. Nice clean 14 SEER system. Another job well done and a happy customer.